The cost of dental crowns, Europe versus Turkey. In terms of dental treatment, among the most frequent procedures that people go through is getting a dental crown. It doesn't matter if it's to improve the appearance of a tooth or for repairing the damaged tooth. The dental crown is an option that is popular with many people. But the price of dental crowns can differ greatly depending on where you're situated. In this clip, we'll compare the costs of dental crowns across Europe as well as Turkey, two of the most popular locations to visit for dental tourism. Europe. In Europe, the cost of dental crowns may vary depending on where that you reside within. In general, the price of a crown for a tooth in Europe could range between €500 up to €1,000 for each tooth. The countries of Germany, France, and the UK are more likely to charge higher costs for dental crowns when in comparison with Eastern European countries like Poland, Hungary, and Romania. The materials employed and the experience of the dentist may influence the price of crowns for dental use in Europe. Turkey. Turkey is now a sought-after tourist destination over the last few years, mostly because of the top-quality dentistry offered for more reasonable prices. Cost of dental crowns in Turkey is considerably lower in comparison to Europe, and prices range between €150 up to €500 for a tooth. A lower price for the dental crowns available in Turkey doesn't mean they are of lower quality. Turkish dentists have a high level of expertise and are often educated in Western countries. They use similar materials and methods that they use in the European counterparts. Things to take into consideration when deciding between Europe as well as Turkey to get dental crowns. 1. Cost. One of the most important aspects to take into consideration when making a decision between Europe as well as Turkey in the case of dental crowns is their price. Although Europe can provide top-quality dental treatment, its costs could be too high for certain patients. However, Turkey provides affordable dental crowns that aren't degrading in the quality. 2. Quality. Both Europe as well as Turkey provide top-of-the-line dental services. It is important to investigate the dentist and clinic you select. Be sure to inquire questions about the material used in dental crowns as well as the experience of the dentist. A lot of Turkish dentists have completed training in Europe or in the US and are knowledgeable about modern dental procedures. 3. Accommodation and travel. If you choose to purchase dental crowns in Turkey, it is important to take into consideration travel and lodging expenses. Consider the costs of accommodation, flights as well as transportation costs when you compare the cost for getting the dental crowns you need in Turkey as compared to Europe. 4. Language barriers. Although the majority of Turkish dentists are fluent in English as well as other languages, there could be some language barriers that need to be considered. Be sure to discuss your requirements clearly to your dentist in order to have an easy and efficient dental crown process. When deciding between Europe and Turkey in the field of dental crowns, it all comes down to your personal tastes and financial budget. Europe provides high-quality dental services, however, at a cost higher, and Turkey offers low-cost dental crowns that do not compromise in quality. Take into consideration all aspects, such as the cost and quality, as well as travel and the language barrier, prior to making a decision. The most crucial factor is choosing an experienced dentist that can offer you the highest quality dentistry for a cost that is within your budget.